Birch Run outlets, concrete project for 2017. 11,700 square foot of sidewalk removal, various spots. Tiny tearing the slabs out. Scotty's loading them. The other truck. Eric and Ryan and the other fellows are down there. Just poured out about 5 yards. They're down there finishing that right now, and then they'll follow behind. Our other trucks coming in, they'll start getting loaded. As you can see, this is a busy place, so we have everything cautioned off. We're working around customer flow.